Hello and welcome to Algebra and Geometry Explained. Today I'm going to show you a simple and elegant way to factor any quadratic equation using averages, sums, and products. No guesswork, no memorized formulas, just clear reasoning that always works. Let's get started. Example 1. We'll begin with x squared minus 10x plus 21. We need two numbers that add to negative 10 and multiply to 21. Sum equals negative 10. Product equals 21. The average of those numbers is negative 10 divided by 2, which is negative 5. Call the two numbers symmetric around negative 5. Negative 5 plus u and negative 5 minus u. Their product is negative 5 plus u times negative 5 minus u equals 21. "25 minus u squared equals 21. So u squared equals 25 minus 21. U squared equals 4. Take square root of both sides, we have u equals 2. Now we find the two numbers. Negative 5 plus 2 equals negative 3, and negative 5 minus 2 equals negative 7. The factorization is x minus 3 times x minus 7. Example 2, complex roots. Next, let's try x squared minus 6x plus 13. The sum equals negative 6, and the product equals 13. So the average is negative 3. Call the two numbers symmetric around negative 3. Negative 3 plus u and negative 3 minus u. Their product is negative 3 plus u times negative 3 minus u equals 13. That gives 9 minus u squared equals 13. So u squared equals 9 minus 13. That means u squared equals negative 4. U is imaginary. Remember, I squared equals negative 1. Replace u squared with 4i squared. U equals square root of 4i squared. So u equals 2i. The two numbers are negative 3 plus 2i and negative 3 minus 2i. The factorization is x minus 3 plus 2i and x minus 3 minus 2i. Example 3. Leading coefficient greater than 1. Now consider 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. Divide every term by 3 so the coefficient of x squared becomes 1. That gives x squared minus 5/3 x plus 2/3. The sum equals negative 5/3. The product equals 2/3. The average of two numbers is negative 5/6. The two numbers are symmetric around negative 5/6. Negative 5/6 plus u and negative 5/6 minus u. Their product is negative 5/6 plus u times negative 5/6 minus u equals 2/3. That gives 25 over 36 minus u squared equals 2/3. Now let's convert 2/3 to a denominator of 36. We can do that by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 12. 2 times 12 is 24, and 3 times 12 is 36. So 2/3 becomes 24 over 36. Now we have u squared equals 25 over 36 minus 24 over 36. That gives u squared equals 1 over 36. U equals square root of 1 over 36. So u equals 1/6. Now the two numbers are negative 5/6 plus 1/6 equals negative 2/3. And negative 5/6 minus 1/6 equals negative 1. The two numbers are negative 2/3 and negative 1. That means the factors are x minus 2/3 and x minus 1. To remove the fractions, multiply the first factor by 3. That gives 3x minus 2 and x minus 1. So the original quadratic factors as 3x minus 2 times x minus 1. And that's how you can factor any quadratic using sums, products, and averages. It's logical, clear, and it always works, whether the roots are real or complex. Thanks for watching Algebra and Geometry Explained. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and check out more step-by-step lessons that make math easy to understand. See you in the next video.